Now, let's get a bit more on our main story, the backlash that we've seen over Donald Trump's nomination as Health Secretary. BBC Verify's Merylyn looks now at the controversial claims he's made in the past.
As Donald Trump prepares to enter the White House, those he chooses to bring with him will have an impact on millions of Americans. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has been nominated as Donald Trump's health secretary in his second presidential term. This is what Trump said about RFK Jr. in his victory speech.
Robert F. Kennedy Jr., he came in, and he's going to help make America healthy again.
RFK Jr. is an environmental lawyer and part of the Kennedy dynasty. He's been a vaccine skeptic for nearly 2 decades and has shared misinformation on a range of public health issues. Now, one of his main false claims, repeated in a 2023 interview with Fox News, was that autism comes from vaccines. Multiple studies across many countries have concluded there is no link between vaccines and autism. RFK Jr. has denied on several occasions that he is anti-vaccination and says he has had his children vaccinated.
I have never been anti-vax. I have never told the public avoid vaccination.
And in an interview after this election, he said he didn't want to take vaccines away, but that people should have the best information so they can make informed choices. During the pandemic, RFK Jr. was also a critic of restrictions to limit the spread of COVID-19. He also spread misinformation by telling media that COVID-19 is targeted to attack Caucasians and black people. These claims are false. Health specialists have said the virus didn't target any specific ethnic group, and the number of COVID cases had more to do with larger or intergenerational households. RFK Jr. has also long campaigned against fluoridated water. Now, fluoride, a naturally occurring mineral, is added to water supplies in many countries, and it's long been recognized to protect teeth against decay. In his post on X, RFK Jr. said fluoride is associated with several health issues, including arthritis, bone cancer, and neurodevelopmental disorders. But experts we spoke to say the research he cites doesn't relate to the very low levels of fluoride in drinking water. Now, the big question is whether his appointment will be approved by the Senate, and if so, how will RFK Jr. govern?